हेलो गुरुज, आप लोग कैसे हैं? हम आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा माफ़ी चाहेंगे, आपको हमारे दीदार के लिए इतना इंतज़ार करना पड़ा, बट आई विल बी वेरी मच कंसिस्टेंट फ्रॉम माई साइड फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन. So, for those who don't know me, I am Vikrant. I am currently pursuing my master's from IITK in Computer Science and Engineering Department, and at the verge of completing it with a perfect 10 CGPA at IITK. I have recently secured an All India rank of 1 in ISRO ICRP 2023 examination. I In this video, I just wanted to make a little bit of guidance video from my side for all the new batch of master students who are about to join any of the old IITs. I would like to restrict myself to the old IITs only, and specifically to the Computer Science and Engineering Department. Uh, some of the points of my are general, so if other branch people are watching it, so no issues. You can enjoy the video, but most of my points are related to Computer Science and Engineering Department. So let's get straight into the topic of the video. How can you make the most of your master's degree at IITK or any of the old IITs? So moving on to the first point, maintain a very good CGPA. Because if you have a good CGPA, no, you will easily get shortlisted in almost all the companies. And if you have a 9 plus CGPA, specifically I'm talking about IITK, if you have 9 plus CGPA, I don't think you would get any package below 30 or 40 LPAs. That's for sure. So and another point is that if you have a good CGPA, no, you would get a good supervisor, because supervisors are looking for the people who have good CGPAs. If you have good CGPA, you will get good supervisor. You have good supervisor, you will get time for placements to prepare, and then everything good happens. But if you have bad CGPA, then you will not get a supervisor of your choice. Then many times many bad things happen. So it is very good to maintain a very high CGPA in your masters. For IITK in Computer Science and Engineering Department, if you have 9 plus CGPA, then all the things are sorted. और अगर CGPA नहीं होगी तो फिर नौकरी नहीं होगी, पैसे नहीं होंगे, छुट्टी होगी, फिर तो जय माता दी है ही. तो इसलिए you must maintain a very high CGPA. Okay. So moving on to the next point, as soon as you enter into IITK, you must get your goal fixed, whether you want to do a PhD, or whether you want to go for the placements, or whether you want to go for a government job. Whatever your goal is there, you must get it fixed. It is an extremely important step, because if you have not fixed your goal, no, then what happens is that for many people what happens is that they keep their door open for PhD also, they keep their door open for the private job also, they keep their door open for the government job also, and then they throw stones at all the places, and then everything happens. Not everything happens, but the placement happens, you will get job, but not up to the mark of what you had decided and came here for. So whatever your goal may be, you should get it fixed right after you enter into IIT. So this was my bestest suggestion to you. So moving on to the next point, if you're dedicated towards the placement side, you must dedicate some amount of time towards coding as well. I know that in the first semester you won't get time for coding, but at least from the second semester onwards, do dedicate some amount of time for coding. It is extremely important. Next point is that in whatever research area you are performing research under whichever supervisor, try to publish at least one paper and attend a conference which is international. This is because it will give you extreme exposure of the international things, and it is extremely fabulous, I must tell. For your information, IITK gives 50,000 rupees to the students to show their work outside in conferences. 50,000 IITK will give, some amount surely with professor will give. So in and all, you can go and visit once outside India. So it would be great international exposure, I must tell. And next point is that if you are totally inclined towards research, there are various seminars and conferences which happen inside IITK, which are open for all. So you can surely attend those conferences. It is a great way to connect with the senior professors and the legendary scientists who are working in that particular area of their research. If your research area is of that interest, you would surely attend those conferences and seminars. I must tell about some of the scientists, like many people like Linux founders and various types of founders of various big companies, tech giants come to IITK for delivering their lectures and seminars. So it would be great opportunity if you're dedicated towards research. And next point I would like to tell is that related to international exposure. So just keep your eyes open towards the mail of IITK. many times from the International Council of the IITK, many times International Relation Council, mail comes about uh, going to Japan or other countries as well. They take you for free, so that you see their research and their university and pursue PhD in their countries or institutes. So it would be a great thing. You don't have to put a single penny in that. You just have to maintain a great CGPA and open your eyes, keep your eyes open for those mails which come and of the International Council of IITK, and then with the help of that you can go to Japan or various other countries free of cost, no issues. So it is a great thing you must explore. Okay, चलो गुरुदेव, बहुत हो गई पढ़ाई की बातें, चलो अब मजे की बात करते हैं. So I would suggest you to attend all the fests which happen in IITK. Just for your reference, I must say that every week or every 2 weeks, one or the other fest happens, and it is world class level fest. I must tell you that, like, recently Badshah, Sonu Nigam had performed in the fests, and many times all the comedians, Samir Raina and other comedians visit regularly to IITK. If you are interested toward entrepreneurship, then many events happen in the entrepreneurship side also. Aman Gupta and all the many various types of CEOs of various different companies which you see in the Shark Tank, or all the different companies CEOs come and give their lectures. You can meet them personally and ask questions from them. It is a extremely great session. So I would suggest you to attend all these fests. And I would tell you that try to take one position of responsibility in one fest. It is a nice experience. I must tell the students who had taken, they tell that it is a great experience. So I would suggest you to take one position of responsibility in any of the fest. And also it would be great if you can take any of the position of responsibility either in the clubs or in various societies or various fests, or there are various institute bodies also there, like Gymkhana or PG cell or international relations cell. These cells have dedicated coordinators for PG students also. So it would be great if you can hold those responsible positions. It gives a sense of responsibility, and it's good to have at least one certificate happens, and also you learn some new skill in that. And it does not take much amount of your time, just some amount of time it surely takes, but it is a great experience, I must tell. Okay, so next point is that try to be humble and interact with various people present across various departments and various disciplines. So because all the people are coming from various different sections of the society and various different parts of the country and have various different achievements, all the people are quality people over here, so it gives a great sense to interact with them. Everyone has something great in them, so try to learn and incorporate the qualities of them in yourself. It is a great thing to have. Second thing is that don't miss out on the fun in the hostel. Try to make as much friends as you can. Don't go in drugs and all things, but you must make good friends over here and have full fun in your hostel. Hostel life is great life, I must tell you, at especially at IITK it is greatest life. Next point is that all do what it would be great if you can join any of the clubs like astronomy club or electronics club or robotics club. There are various different clubs present, book club, various different clubs which are present, which help you to explore your hobbies or any of the pastimes you can have. So these are very world class clubs, and many coordinators are dedicatedly toward working towards them. So you can try all the clubs and then join any one of them if you want. But it is a great experience. You make new friends and interact with people. It gives a great sense to you. So try out all the clubs, and if you like any one of them, do join it. Like dance club or singing club, they are extremely well connected clubs. Okay, moving on to the next point. The next point is that effective use of labs and libraries. The library is not open 24 cross 7, but it is open from 8 o'clock to 12 in the night. Actually, what happens is that we are living in a shared room in the first year, and in the second year we get single rooms. So in the first year, what happens is that many times we get three people in a single room. Then problem starts happening because we cannot concentrate on our studies because someone is doing something, someone is doing something. So it is better to make effective use of the library. Other people are also working there, so it gives a great environment for us to study over there. The next point is that if you are good in any of the sports, be it any sports, basketball, badminton, lawn tennis, swimming, any of the sports, there are world class facilities available at these old IITs. World class, whatever sports you take name, all gym, all the facilities are available to you. So if you love any of the sports and want to be any physically active, i I personally would suggest you to join at least one of the sports clubs. Just I was in the basketball club, so you can join any of the clubs. Also, many times what happens is that no, suppose you want to learn skating or you want to try a new sports like pool or squash, then in your previous college you won't get such facilities, but here their sessions happens, which for 2 to 3 days orientation happens at for each of the sports. In that time you can explore all the sports. For regularly those orientation happens, like skating happens, like skateboarding happens, so you can explore those sports and try out once. Always try out these sports. It is gives a great vibe to you to learn new things. And if you are interested in any of the particular sports, then the world is open for you for world class facilities and inter IIT sports events. You can explore them. It is a great way to go on. And the next part is, if you fumble a lot in English or have some communication gap, or there is your personality is not that much developed, then also there is no issue in that. You don't worry about English or any problem in that. No problem in that. You can join Toastmasters club in that. The Toastmaster club helps you to nourish your personality in such a way that you speak with such a high confidence in any of the things, be it in public speaking, be it discussion, be it in interview. So if you are facing such a problem, Toastmaster club is completely free. You can join the club and explore it. So moving on to the next point, I would suggest everyone to contest for overall placement coordinator position of the student placement office. It is an extremely important position. It is your understanding, placement office highest position is overall placement coordinator. Actually, it is a very important position because this person is the head of the student head of the placement office. For CSE and electrical, placement is not uh, problematic, but for other branches, suppose we take example of a material science branch. So if a company comes, no, then you have to open that company for a particular branch. And if your friend of material science branch is present as a overall placement coordinator, then he will definitely open that company for you for that branch. So if you are an OPC, overall placement coordinator, if your branch person is there, then it extremely helps that particular branch in placement. So I would suggest, or I personally would want also that, or that CSE person must be there in the overall placement coordinator. uh, Only 2 people from PG can be the overall placement coordinator, but I would suggest that you must contest for this. Is a very important position in the student placement office. So I must suggest that you must contest for this position. So we have came to the end of this video. मैंने बहुत ही अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें बताई हैं, आप ये कर सकते हैं, आप ये कर सकते हैं, आपको इतना अच्छा ये कर सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स खेल सकते हैं, इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, पोजीशन और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले सकते हैं, रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। मगर आपके दिमाग में हमेशा ये बात एकदम गांठ बांधी हुई होनी चाहिए कि आपका जो गोल है वो प्लेसमेंट है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब है या PhD है। आपका वो गोल हमेशा फिक्स रहना चाहिए, और अगर कोई भी चीज़ उसमें रुकावट आती है, आपको तुरंत उसको हटा के अपने गोल पे फोकस करना चाहिए। क्योंकि मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि M.Tech बहुत ही छोटा ड्यूरेशन का कोर्स है। थोड़ा सा मैं आपको फ्यूचर दिखाता चलिए। क्या होता है ना, आप जैसे ही एंटर करते हैं IIT में, अगस्त में आप आए, थोड़े दिनों बाद आपके मिड सेम एग्जाम हो जाएंगे, और एग्जाम जो होते हैं ओल्ड IIT का मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप पूरा पढ़ के भी जाएंगे, ओपन बुक एग्जाम हो जाएंगे, पूरा पढ़ के भी जाएंगे तो भी कुछ ऐसे खास उखाड़ने वाली चीज़ें हो नहीं पाती हैं। मतलब पढ़ा है तो अच्छी बात है, मगर क्वेश्चन बहुत मुश्किल आते हैं कुछ कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स में, ज़्यादातर सब्जेक्ट्स में वैसे ही बताऊँ तो आसान नहीं होता है पढ़ाई एग्ज़ाम्स की। तो आपका फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर तो इसी में निकल जाएगा, और फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में गलती से CGPA कम आ गई तो फिर तो 12 बज जाती है। तो इसीलिए आपको CGPA मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आप कोडिंग करें ना करें, आपको पूरा कोर्स वर्क पे पूरा अच्छे से ध्यान देना है, उसमें हाई CGPA मेंटेन रखनी है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर किसी तरह चला गया, फिर सेकंड सेमेस्टर आता है। सेकंड सेमेस्टर आप फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से थोड़ा सा लर्निंग से ले लेते हैं, तो इस बार ही आप थोड़ा सा रेडी रहते हैं कि हाँ अब ये फेस करना है, तो सेकंड सेमेस्टर में आप फिर कोडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं। उसके बाद फिर समर टर्म जो होता है उसमें आपका फिर थीसिस का काम चालू हो जाता है। उसके बाद फिर जैसे ही अगस्त आता है, अगस्त में आपका कोडिंग टेस्ट वगैरह सब कुछ चालू हो जाता है, और फिर प्लेसमेंट का फुल एकदम स्ट्रेसफुल फेज स्टार्ट हो जाता है। तो थोड़ी सी तो हेक्टिक है लाइफ IIT की, मगर अगर आप हमेशा अपने टोज पे हैं, हमेशा काम कर रहे हैं अपना अच्छे से, हमेशा अपना 100% दे रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा कम भी दे रहे हैं तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मगर हमेशा अपने टोज पे हमेशा काम कर रहे हैं अपनी पूरी ईमानदारी से, तो आपसे आपका ड्रीम प्लेसमेंट, आपसे आपका ड्रीम गोल, आपसे आपका कोई कुछ नहीं छीन सकता। आप सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को एंजॉय करते हुए सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा सा हो जाएगा। मगर अगर आपने ज़रा सा भी आलस दिखाया ना, और सिर्फ एक्टिविटीज़ में चले गए, पढ़ाई को झोंक दिया, पढ़ाई जाए भाड़ में, तो फिर प्लेसमेंट भी ऐसे ही हो जाता है, फिर सब कुछ ही बर्बाद हो जाता है, और मैं नहीं चाहता कि ऐसा किसी के साथ भी हो। तो first priority is your goal, then all the activities come in your place. Give topmost priority to your goal. Okay, that's all for what I could suggest. If you like the video, it would be great if you can drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. You can also comment down your doubts if you have any, and you can reach me out through Instagram or LinkedIn. I would be very much happy to help you out. Thanks for listening to me. Hope my video helps you in any way possible. Thanks. Hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.